to work part deuce. If you want to see how I got this glammed up work appropriate look, then just keep on watching. Love you guys. Be sure to subscribe. Hope I see you in my next video. Peace. First, we're going in with the Pond's Moisturizing Facial Cream. Then we're going to go into this Monistat Shaving Relief Gel. Yeah, I said it, Monistat. It fills in the pores. It makes your skin look smooth, and it keeps your makeup on all day. We're going in the Bare Minerals Powder, and we're just going to cover those blemishes up with some Maybelline Instant Rewind Concealer. Then I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Powder just to bronze on my face. I'm looking kind of pale. I'm just going to put that all over the outer points of my face. I'm not really contouring with the Fit Me powder, but I'm just making my skin have more, depth and not look so flat and white. It looks very pale. Then I'm going to go in with the Mario Badescu setting spray so I don't look so powdery. Then I'm going back in with the Maybelline Instant Rewind Age Rewind Concealer. And I'm going to put that under my under eyes because these eyes are dark. All right. Then I'll take it on my lids because we're going to use that as primer for our eyeshadow. Yes, you can use concealer as eyeshadow. It's actually a great eyeshadow primer. So we're going to do that. Highlight our brow bone. Yes, yes, yes. Then I'm going down the bridge of my nose. There we go. Let's see. I'm going to keep brightening my face. I'm taking it down a little lower. Then I take my Morphe 429 brush and I just make sure there's no lines. Then I'm going in with this banana powder that I got from my Ipsy, putting that under my eyes. I'm going to let it bake. I am going to let it bake. I'm going to go under my contour line so that when I put on contour, it looks chiseled and defined. There we go. I'm taking this Tarte contour. I've been loving this lately, Amazonian Clay. I'm taking my e.l.f. contour brush and I'm just going to buff that into my cheekbones, around my forehead, and then I am going to just blend it in so that it doesn't look too muddy. Then I'm going in with this cheap dollar store blush with my Morphe stippling brush and just putting that right above the contour. I don't bring it to the apples. I put it above the contour and near my nose and cheeks. Then I'm going to go in with the Mario Badescu spray again. I'm going to use this highlighter I got from Bare Minerals just to glow up the face, but I am going to be using another highlighter as well. This is just going to give me a nice subtle glow, but I want to go in with a pop-in glow. So I'm going in with none other than Trophy Wife by Fenty Beauty. Rihanna knows what to do. This girl's got this. You're going to bring it down the bridge of your nose and on your cheekbones. I am going to have to tone it down a bit because it is that popping. So I'm going to take a Bare Minerals fan brush. You're going to see it in a minute. Here it is. And I'm going to buff it out. There we go. I'm just going to buff it out a little. It's still glowing. Look at that. You're getting blinded. Then I'm going in my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette and going into that transition color. I will put the shades down in the description box below. I'm going to buff that into my crease using my Luxie buffing brush. Then I'm going to go back in with a deeper chocolate brown over that transition color. We're going for a more subtle look today, but it's still going to be glamorous. Trust me, it's going to be glam. Then I'm going to go into this transition color again just to buff out that brown that I just put in. Make sure there's no lines. Then I'm going to take this beautiful color. It's a nice foiled eyeshadow. Pop it on my lids using my fingers. I will definitely put the color down below, so don't worry. But it made my eyelids pop. Then I'm going to buff around it with a clean crease brush so that way there's no lines. And I'm going under with my Morphe pencil brush with that dark brown shade from the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia. Now I'm going in with this ColourPop color. It's called Tool. I'm using that for my lips. It's giving me a beautiful color. There we go. It's making my lips look very good. It's such a cool tone, beautiful mauvey. It's not a purple, but it's just beautiful. Now I'm going in with the Unicorn Life is a Festival spray by Too Faced. I'm spraying it all over. It smells so good. I'm going to do it again because why not? Your girl's got to glow. Then I'm going in with this MAC Vanilla Pigment. I'm going to put that on my brow bone in the inner corner of my eyes just to add some oomph to the look. There we go. Look at what a difference that makes. It makes my eyes look wide open. I think that that's such a necessary step. And then I'm going to buff it out with this cheap e.l.f. brush so it doesn't look so intense. I just want to take it down just a notch. Then I'm going in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara to complete the look. You can use false lashes if you want, but since I'm going to work, here's the finished look. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.